With 3I Atlas, a mysterious interstellar object is currently crossing our solar system, and now another cosmic visitor has been spotted, causing quite a stir in the astronomy community. Just discovered, it is already showing spectacular properties and raising exciting questions because, hold on to your hats, it too glows green. What is going on here, and is there a connection? Let's take a look at the exciting original images.
We're going to take a look at the exciting original footage, so make sure to stick around until the end. A warm welcome to you all, folks. Our solar system is currently populated by numerous fascinating and mysterious comets.
Feel free to write in the comments if you've ever seen a comet with your own eyes, maybe even the famous Halley's Comet or Hale-Bopp.
I'm really looking forward to your comet reports, and if you always want to be immediately informed about new comets, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now.
Subscribing is free, you won't miss a thing, and you'll be helping me out a lot. Thank you, everyone. So let's dive into a story that shows how unpredictable and fascinating our solar system is. On September 11, 2025, a Ukrainian amateur astronomer named Vladimir Bezugli made a remarkable discovery. While analyzing images from the SWAN instrument aboard the Soho spacecraft, he came across something completely unexpected, a new comet with a gigantic tail. This cosmic newcomer is called C225 R2 SWAN and is anything but ordinary. Even when it was first discovered, it had an impressive brightness of 7 magnitudes and a tail that stretched across 5 degrees of the sky. That's about the length of 10 full moons lined up side by side.
Martin Marcek from the Institute of Physics at the Czech Academy of Sciences, who confirmed the discovery, was visibly excited.
I was very pleasantly surprised by such a bright comet with a long tail. I had originally expected to be looking for a small faint spot. Vladimir Bezugli agrees. As far as I can remember, this comet is one of the brightest we have ever discovered in SWAN images. This is remarkable because the SON instrument has already detected dozens of comets. And since another intergalactic visitor, 3I Atlas, is currently in our solar system, some are already suspecting a connection. But first things first, what makes this new comet so special? First of all, its origin. C225 R2 SWAN is a so-called periodic comet with an orbital period of over 20,000 years. The last time it visited our inner solar system, our ancestors were still living in the Stone Age and may have greeted the comet in the sky with a reverent Uga Uga.
My Stone Age language skills are very rudimentary. SWAN comes from the icy expanses of the R2 Volga.
That mysterious reservoir of comets at the outer edge of the solar system. On September 12th, it reached its perihelion, the point in its orbit closest to the Sun, at a distance of only 0.5 astronomical units. That's just outside the orbit of Mercury. For a comet from the outer reaches of the solar system, that's really hot stuff.
Because the intense sunlight has already caused water ice and other frozen gases to evaporate, forming the characteristic corkscrew-shaped tail. Things get especially exciting now in October.
On October 19th, SWAN will come within just 0.26 astronomical units of Earth. That's about 39 million kilometers. It sounds like a lot, but in cosmic terms, it's a stone's throw. Astronomers are optimistic that the comet could become even brighter, possibly even reaching a magnitude of 4. That would mean it would be visible to the naked eye under a dark sky. SWAN is currently mainly visible from the southern hemisphere, as it is still relatively close to the Sun in the sky. It is currently traveling between Mars and the bright star Spica in the constellation Virgo. It can already be spotted with binoculars or a camera with a 200mm lens. However, you need a clear view of the western horizon shortly after sunset.
But now it gets really interesting because SWAN isn't the only mysterious visitor in our solar system at the moment.
Shortly after its discovery, some astronomers began to draw connections to another mysterious object, the interstellar visitor 3I Atlas. 3I Atlas already made headlines when it was recognized as the third confirmed interstellar comet in our solar system. This cosmic wanderer does not originate from the solar system, but from the infinite vastness of the Milky Way between the stars.
The question that now arises, could there be a connection between these two mysterious objects? Are we witnessing a large-scale alien invasion of our solar system?
A well-known astronomer, Peter Veris, investigated this possibility. He wanted to find out whether SWAN could possibly be a fragment of 3I Atlas, either a naturally broken-off piece or even something even more spectacular. Renowned Harvard professor Avi Loeb also wrote on his website, "As soon as I heard about SWAN, I was curious whether it might have originated from 3I Atlas. either as a fragment that broke off from a natural chunk of ice or as a spear launched from a technological mothership at a great distance.
But Peter Verres, after all a recognized expert in celestial mechanics, quickly brought clarity to the matter.
The arrival directions of the two objects are completely different. While C-225 R2 SWAN came from the direction of the constellation Aquarius, 3I Atlas reached our solar system from the direction of Sagittarius, i.e. from the center of our Milky Way. These two directions are separated by dozens of degrees in the sky, far too much to assume a common origin.
So unfortunately, still no aliens.
Nevertheless, the discovery of SWAN remains fascinating enough. There is a simple reason for its late discovery. It was simply too close to the Sun. Between August 8th and September 13th, it was less than 30 degrees away from our home star, far too close to be detected. Only after its perihelion did it become visible to Earth-based observers.
From October 4th to 6th, the Earth could pass through the debris trail of the comet. If that happens, we could witness a completely new meteor shower. Imagine hundreds of tiny particles from the comet burning up in our atmosphere, creating a fireworks display in the night sky. And that's not all. October promises to be a true comet festival.
In addition to SWAN, Comet C-225 A6 Lemmon will also reach its best visibility. Both comets will come closest to Earth on October 21st. A cosmic coincidence, Lemmon could also reach a brightness of magnitude 4, which means that we may be able to see two bright comets in the sky at the same time. And even better, October 21st is a new moon. This means that the sky will be particularly dark. In addition, October 20th and 21st will see the peak of the Orionids, one of the most beautiful meteor showers of the year. With around 20 shooting stars per hour, we could be in for a real celestial spectacle.
We are expecting two bright comets plus a meteor shower on a moonless night. So, if you want to take your sweetheart out for a romantic date under the starry sky, this is your chance. And although SWAN is not an interstellar comet, the astronomer still offers a great opportunity to learn more about the composition and structure of comets from the original cloud.
Spectroscopic analyses can then provide information about the original materials from which our solar system was formed 4.5 billion years ago. This is because comets are, in a sense, cosmic time capsules that give us insights into the early days of our planets.
I'll keep you updated on any further developments and any new comets that might appear. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel now, and don't forget to give a thumbs up to help boost the YouTube algorithm.
And if you're now curious about the topic of interstellar visitors, read on. In my new video, I explain everything you need to know about 3I Atlas, this mysterious interstellar wanderer visiting our solar system. You'll learn where it really comes from, what makes it so special, and what secrets it could reveal about other star systems. Just click on the video displayed above on the right and immerse yourself in the world of interstellar visitors. And if you click on the bottom right, you'll find another exciting video about space and science. Otherwise, I'd say see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.